How to Grow Cucumbers, the Complete Beginner's Guide. Want a garden bursting with fresh, crisp cucumbers? Growing cucumbers is easier than you think, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive into everything you need to know to harvest your own delicious cucumbers. Cucumbers are fast-growing and productive. You'll see results quickly, which is super rewarding for new gardeners. Plus, they're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They don't require a ton of space, especially if you choose the right varieties. Bush cucumbers are perfect for smaller gardens or even containers. This makes them accessible to almost anyone. There are two main types, slicing and pickling. Slicing cucumbers are longer and thinner-skinned, perfect for salads. Pickling cucumbers are smaller and thicker-skinned, ideal for making pickles. Consider bush or vine varieties. Bush varieties are compact, while vine varieties need support like a trellis. Research which varieties thrive in your local climate for the best results. Start seeds indoors or direct sow. Starting indoors gives you a head start, especially in cooler climates. Direct sowing is simpler, but requires warmer soil. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Cucumbers need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Amend your soil with compost for added nutrients. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep. Space plants according to the variety's instructions. Water gently after planting to keep the soil moist. Water regularly, especially during hot weather. Cucumbers need consistent moisture to produce juicy fruits. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This will provide the nutrients your plants need to thrive. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer label. Provide support for vine varieties. Trellises, fences, or stakes will help keep the vines off the ground. This improves air circulation and prevents diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control these pests. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of infestation. Powdery mildew is a common disease. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent it. Fungicides can be used if the problem persists. Practice crop rotation to prevent soil-borne diseases. Avoid planting cucumbers in the same spot year after year. This helps to break the disease cycle. Harvest when they reach the desired size and color. Check the seed packet for specific harvesting guidelines. Regular harvesting encourages more production. Use a knife or pruners to cut the cucumbers from the vine. Gently handle the fruits to avoid bruising. Store harvested cucumbers in the refrigerator. Enjoy your homegrown cucumbers in salads, sandwiches, or pickles. The possibilities are endless. Savor the taste of your hard work and fresh produce. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize accordingly. Check the soil drainage to ensure it's adequate. Misshapen fruits can be caused by poor pollination. Ensure there are plenty of pollinators in your garden. Hand pollinating can help if needed. Bitter cucumbers can result from stress. Consistent watering and proper fertilization can prevent this. Choose varieties known for their mild flavor. Try succession planting for a continuous harvest. Plant new seeds every few weeks to extend your cucumber season. This ensures a steady supply of fresh cucumbers. Consider companion planting. Planting cucumbers with beneficial plants like marigolds can deter pests. Research which plants complement cucumbers in the garden. Experiment with different growing methods. Vertical gardening can save space and improve air circulation. Hydroponics can provide a controlled growing environment. Ready to grow your own delicious cucumbers? Start planning your garden today. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown cucumbers in no time. Don't wait. Grab your seeds, prepare your soil, and get ready for a bountiful harvest. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your cucumber growing experiences and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let's grow together.